I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you an application of compound angle. The question is, show that h equals to d times sine alpha sine beta divided by sine alpha plus beta in the figure below. So that's the triangle given to you. Height h, alpha and beta are the two angles at the base, and d is the length of the base itself. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now, we need to prove that height is all this. Now, as you can see, it is easy to work in tan. So what I will do here is convert my equation into tan, alpha and beta. So let's rewrite this equation. So we have height equals to d times sine alpha sine beta divided by sine alpha plus beta, right? So we'll just expand the denominator and see what do we get. So we get d times sine of alpha sine beta divided by sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta, right? That's what we get. Now, if I divide both numerator and denominator by, so if I divide both of them by cos alpha cos beta, divide by cos alpha cos beta, I can easily convert sine to tan. So that is what I'm going to do, right? So when I do sine over cos alpha, it becomes tan alpha. So in the numerator, we get d times tan alpha times tan beta. Now in the denominator, when sine alpha cos beta is divided by cos alpha cos beta cancel, and we get tan alpha, and here we get plus tan beta. So that is what this expression reduces to when we are talking about tan instead of sine. Is it okay? Now let's work on this. Now here we can write what tan alpha is. Tan alpha is h over x. And what is tan beta? Tan beta is h over, this side will be then d minus x, correct? Okay, so it is h over d minus x. Now from here we could just write this as 1 over tan alpha as equal to x over h. Similarly on this side we can write 1 over tan beta as equals to d minus x over h. So I'm just writing it separately. Okay. Now that helps us to eliminate h. That's the whole idea. In this formula there is no x. We just defined this variable to solve. So now we can write this as 1 over tan beta equals to d over h as such minus x over h. Instead of that I'm writing x over h is 1 over tan alpha. So I'm writing this as minus 1 over tan alpha. Now we can isolate d over h. So d over h is equal to 1 over tan beta plus 1 over tan alpha, correct? Now you can take the common denominator and write this as tan alpha plus tan beta divided by tan alpha tan beta, correct? Which is d over h. Now that looks very similar. If you just flip it, what do you get? You get h over d as equal to tan alpha tan beta over tan alpha plus tan beta. Perfect. So h is equal to what? H is equals to d times tan alpha tan beta over tan alpha plus tan beta. Perfect. So we have same equation, right? So 1 and 2 are exactly same, and therefore we can say that the height is this much, correct? So that is what it is. So that is how we can actually prove that h equals to d sine alpha sine beta divided by sine alpha plus beta in this particular case. I hope that helps. Feel free to write your comments, share your views, and if you like and subscribe, that will be great. And this is a very, very important formula, as it gives you a relation which can help you to find area of a triangle, right? So once we are given this, you can find area of a triangle. That is the beauty of this equation, right? So half base into height. So then half base into height will give you area. So I like you to develop this formula of area of the triangle using this particular equation. It really helps. Thanks for watching and all the best.